In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Pinterest. Here, background means the cover image of one of your boards, which is what most people see first when they open it. First, open Pinterest and sign in. If you are using the app, you will see your home feed with a mix of pins. On a computer, the layout is wider, but you will still see a feed of images and your profile picture in a corner. Make sure you are signed into the account where the board you want to change actually lives, so you do not end up editing the wrong place. Once you are signed in, go to your profile. On the app, tap your profile picture or profile icon, usually at the bottom or top. On the computer, click your profile picture in the top area. The screen now shows your name, your bio if you added one, and a grid of your boards. If you only see individual pins and not boards, you may be on a different tab. So just switch back to the main profile view. Now tap or click Saved. This makes sure you are looking specifically at your saved boards and pins, not your created content or other sections. When Saved is active, you will see sections labeled as boards, often with small preview images. This is the area where you can choose which board cover or background you want to adjust. Next, select the board whose background or cover you want to change. Tap or click that board tile once. The board opens and you will see all the pins inside it, arranged in a grid. At the top, you see the board title and maybe a current cover image. Taking a second to confirm you opened the correct board saves you from changing the wrong background. From there, tap or click the three dots menu or Edit Board. Depending on your version, you might see three dots near the board title or a clear Edit Board button. When you open this, a panel or page appears with settings just for this board, such as its name, description, and privacy. Now look for Change Cover or the Cover option. It might appear as a small thumbnail with the word Cover, or a labeled button that says Change Cover. Some versions place it near the top of the edit panel, others slightly lower, but it always stays within the board edit area. If you do not see it at first glance, scroll a little in that same panel before assuming it is missing. Once you have found it, choose an image from your existing pins or upload or select an image if the option is available. Typically, Pinterest lets you pick one of the pins already saved to that board as the cover, so you might see a strip of images to choose from. On some devices or versions, you may also see an upload or select image option, which lets you bring in a picture from your device instead. After you pick the image, reposition or crop the image if prompted. A simple frame or box may appear, letting you drag the picture to decide which part shows on the board preview. The cover preview updates right there, so you can see exactly what visitors will see when they view your board on your profile. Finally, tap or click Done or Save. Pinterest closes the editing panel, and you are taken back to the board or your profile. The board tile now shows the new cover image you chose, so you can visually confirm the change worked. One more note before we finish. Pinterest does not provide a setting to replace the entire Pinterest app or website background with your own image, so what you have just customized is the board cover or background that appears on your profile and at the top of the board itself. You have now changed the background cover image of a Pinterest board on your account, so if this helped clean up your boards, please give the video a quick thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for more clear Pinterest tutorials like this.